Hey everyone, please look on the left-hand side on your global icons. Today we're going to go over your Canvas calendar. So if you click on calendar, you will see a calendar of things. Okay, so if you want to see certain classes, all you need to do is click this little box right here. This will show you everything that's due from that class. Okay. So if you want to create a new event, just double click on the date. So for example, if you have a test on Friday, double click here. You have assignment, my to-do, appointment group. Let's say you have to pick up your little sister on Friday. You go to my to-do, say pick up Delilah. Okay. On August 28th at time 4:30 p.m. Okay, calendar, that calendar. You can put details in here and then click submit. You can also do an assignment, like let's say you have a big project due. You can have it due on that Friday on this calendar under assignments group. Okay, you can also have this sync to PowerSchool. You can also publish this. You can even go to more options. Okay, so that's how you assign an assignment. But if you have an assignment, your to-do list will be on the right-hand side. Okay, so this is not my class, but if you went to another class, like let's say your virtual library, your to-do list will be up here on coming up. You can also click on view calendar. Okay, so this other thing is really fun too. So if you double click on a day, you can also do an appointment group. An appointment group is like sign-up sessions. So as you can see on some of my stuff, I have office hours. So if I put my name here, so let's say we're going to do an ice cream social in the library. Then you can select a calendar, your virtual library, and then you can add a date. Okay, you can limit the time slot so each person can sign up at a different time. Okay, and then you will click publish. But something simple to do is just plan an event. So let's say I'm going to go get coffee with friends. And I'm going to put the date here on the 22nd from 4:00 p.m. to 6:00 p.m. Location, Milady Coffee House. Then you can click on your virtual library because this is the calendar that I'm going to save it to, and then click submit. Okay, and then once you submit it, you can click here, and this will be your calendar right here. So I don't want this on here, so I'm going to delete it. And that's all there is to it for your calendar. And once you have your upcoming reminders, it will go here on your calendar feed.